How to withdraw money from Binance to a bank account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can withdraw money from Binance to a bank account. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy with this video. In order to withdraw money from Binance to a bank account, first things first, what you want to do is open up your Binance wallet and log into your account. Now at the top you can see exchange and wallet. You want to head into the wallet tab there and log into your wallet. Now once you're logged into your wallet, you can see you'll get the option to create or import. If you already have wallet, you can import wallet. And once you're on the wallet, you want to head into fiat and spot option. Then you want to select fiat option, then click on withdraw and select bank transfer. Once you do so, you want to go ahead and choose the currency you want to withdraw. The next thing you want to do is enter the amount you want to withdraw. Enter your bank account details, including the bank name, account number and routing number. Review the fees and confirm the withdrawal. This is how you can easily withdraw money from Binance to a bank account. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.